Hi, fifth graders. Welcome to our online video lesson. Today our focus is going to be French folk song. We will be practicing the first half of the song, so measure number 1 until rehearsal letter E. And this video was made for viola students. So we will be practicing the viola part in this video. Well, let's get started. So the feature of the song, French folk song, that really sets it apart from all the other pieces that we've learned so far in strings class is the time signature. So you'll see behind me that I have my staff. And at the beginning of the staff, like always in our pieces, we have an alto clef. And after the alto clef are 2 sharp signs. This is called the key signature, and it tells us to play the F's and C's in the song as F sharp and C sharp. And after the clef, the alto clef and the key signature is the time signature. So the 2 stacked numbers at the beginning of the song, this is called the time signature. And the top number is the number you really need to focus on now, and the top number tells you how many beats to play per measure. So if you look at your sheet music for French folk song, you'll notice that there's a 3 on the top there. So we have 3 beats per measure in French folk song, and this is what's different about French folk song, because all of the other songs that we've learned so far in strings have had 4 beats per measure. So playing in 3/4 time signature, it has a whole different feel to it, and a great way to warm up if you're playing a song in 3/4 time signature is to play a scale in a 3/4 time signature. So today what we'll do is we'll play our D major scale in a 3/4 time signature. And we'll play 3/4 notes for each note of the scale. So it will kind of look like this, and it will sound like this. D, 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 E, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 and so on and so forth, all the way up and down the scale. So let's get started. Let's practice our scale. So you can pick up your instruments, get your bow hold set, and then let's set our bow on the D string. And I'll count you in, and we'll try this. We'll play our D scale in 3s. I like to call this the D scale in 3s. 1, ready, go. Nice work. So when you warm up with that scale, it really gets you into the feeling of having 3 beats per measure. So I think we're ready to practice the piece. So we'll start French folk song, like I mentioned. We'll start from measure number 1. We'll go all the way through halfway to rehearsal letter E. And so make sure you've got your music propped up someplace where you can see it well. And let's get ourselves set to begin. So the first note for the viola part is the F sharp. So set your F sharp fingers, set your bow on the string. I'll count you in, and we'll get started. 1, ready, go. rehearsal letter E. So nice work. And this section of French folk song is the same section of the song that you'll need to play for your assignment this week. So I recommend that you listen to this video a few times and you practice along with the video a few times. Also spend some time practicing without the video, individually at your own pace. And wherever there are spots where you're not sure about the notes, take the time to really look them over and practice them slowly. So with the video, without the video, as many times as you need to, and then when you feel well practiced and ready, then you can get the camera rolling and you can take a video of yourself and you can upload it into Google Classroom. I'm really going to look forward to seeing your videos and just seeing how you're doing. So stay well, stay healthy, and I can't wait to see you for our next video lesson. Talk to you next time.